in the dark. So anyway, we have a lot of blowing and drifting snow still. Still a blizzard. Really dropping. I want to show you a drift from the side of our house. I showed it in the second video. It wasn't very tall. But now I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you how it's drifting. Here we go. It's completely drifted up higher. It's, if you come around this way, see how, I can't even get over to it because the snow's going down my boots, but it's kind of up to the same level as our deck. I would say it's probably about a 4-foot drift, maybe, yeah, about 4.5 feet maybe. Anyway, it's going to be my final one because it's colder than hell out here. And I'm tired of wading through the drifts to get to the backyard. Anyway, it'd be better to be in Florida, wouldn't it? So, that's all we have right now. We'll see what's happening tomorrow, but this is my final one of the night. I'll probably come out tomorrow and take some pictures. Hopefully I'll be able to get to work tomorrow, but I don't know. They've already canceled. They canceled school off about an hour ago, around 3 o'clock.